everyone. I am teacher Donabelle and welcome to my first vlog. So today I will show you how to make a handy dandy reward system for beginner children. Now the question is, what is a handy dandy? It is the most convenient and useful way to give rewards through the kids. I am promoting here a friendly budget and do-it-yourself crafts. Your rewards are compiled as one and you can flip to the next pages. The plastic sheets helps you to stick the rewards a lot easier. First, you need to have a long size of clear book. Second, I am used to have this blue tag because it is reusable and a lot easier. Third, you can label the front of your clear book as my handy dandy reward system and add some code. Fourth, it would be better to make a table of contents and page numbers to be organized. You can put a hard sheet or construction paper on each plastic sheet as a support. Now guys, the first reward is what we called Easter eggs. Now here, I chose 6 colorful eggs that are attracted to the children. The kids will love this mystery egg game because they are curious about what is inside the egg. And this time, let the child choose which number egg she likes. I have here rainbow lollipops, chocolate bar, popsicle, candies, jelly beans, and gummy bears. Let us start with hello Angela. Because you're doing an amazing job today, I want you to choose an egg. Do you like this one? Let's open. Ooh, lollipops. Congratulations. I get here a purple pink castle. This reward is for fantastic girls out there. They are fanatic of Disney princesses. Are you ready to meet your new friends? Let's go! I have here Rapunzel, Elsa, Cinderella, Snow White, and Belle. So here I prepared a big mobile phone and these different emojis. We all know that emojis are trendy in social media. So these are icons used to express an idea or emotions. Oh look! It is an empty bowl. Where are the fish? They are here. So the fourth one is what we called fish in the bowl. So I prepared at least 4 to 5 fish. Just make sure the sizes of your fish fit in the bowl. The last part is we call the hungry monster. I have here 4 monsters for the child to choose, just to make sure it's not too scary. I suggest you to have fun animated monsters because they are more catchy and colorful. For example, hello Kevin, my friends are looking for you. Can you choose one funny monster to take home and feed because he is hungry? Then you can start with,
I am hungry. I want to eat now. Can we order some food?
Show the foods to the child and let him decide which food he wants to feed to the monster.
I want to eat some hamburger. This is yummy. Oh, I'm still hungry. I need some donuts. This is really sweet. Thank you. Nom, nom, nom.
Children are working hard to learn. It will be more fun if we can give them rewards where they will get inspired and motivated to keep learning. Reward systems are an effective way to appreciate children's achievements and positive behavior. You should have a continual reward system, especially if you have seen his or her progress. To the hardworking parents, this is a fun idea to guide your children to learn at home. This creates a great bond with your kids. Shout out to our teachers out there who are creative and dedicated to their profession. I hope you will continue your desire to teach and make your lessons lively. Always remember, we are the second parents to our students. Thank you everyone for watching. Kindly check the description below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated for part 2 of this video. Thank you again and goodbye.